Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Lexus. First, for safety, make sure your vehicle is parked. Next, grab your smartphone and ensure its Bluetooth function is activated. Then, on your Lexus Infotainment screen, navigate to the Setup menu. This is the crucial first step to begin the pairing process, allowing your phone and car to communicate wirelessly. Once you're in the Setup menu, select the Bluetooth option. From there, you'll want to choose Add New Device or Register Device to initiate the pairing process. Your Lexus will then become discoverable to your phone, typically appearing with a name like Lexus or My Car. Keep your phone handy, as you'll need it for the next step to complete the connection successfully. Now, look at your phone's Bluetooth settings. You should see your Lexus listed among the available devices. Select it. Both your phone and the Lexus screen will display a passkey. Confirm that these numbers match. Finally, your Lexus might ask for permission to access your phone's contacts and messages. Granting this allows for full hands-free functionality. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the Lexus infotainment system often resolves minor glitches. Also, ensure no other devices are currently actively paired, as this can sometimes interfere with the new connection. For specific model variations or persistent problems, always refer to your Lexus owner's manual for detailed instructions tailored to your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.